Hello and welcome to another Out of Spec Reviews video. It is like the middle of the night here in California in a parking garage. I was just arriving to my hotel. I know it's super echoey, bear with me on the audio, where I always go through the parking garages like every level. It's just like I want to see what's in there, and oh my god, have I stumbled across a gold mine. So this video is going to be two parts. We are going to leave the Porsche Taycan rear wheel drive. Wait for the reviews on this right up here in the garage for now. We are gonna go on foot through a closed off section, and we're gonna see some crazy hardware. Then we're gonna jump in the Taycan and go down behind me all the way down to the bottom floor, looking at cars along the way. You guys will not believe what's parked in here. It's staggering. And it's just a random parking garage at my hotel in Los Angeles. We're going for a walk. I got to show you some of this cars. This is very impromptu, but I just have to make a video with all of this stuff. So some cars just went down that way, some spicy stuff actually, but I was just coming down this way. First off, Stelvio Quadrifoglio right here, and I saw these gates and I'm like, wonder what's back here. It doesn't look like much at first glance until you look to your left and you start seeing some crazy stuff. Check out this Euro Spec G300. Damn, long wheelbase on some real knobby tires. You'll have to forgive me, I don't know what half the stuff is in here, and I'm like a huge car fan. Comment if I get stuff wrong or right, but I'm just gonna let you go here. Please don't touch the classics, you're on camera. Very cool. 355 here. I don't know what that is. That is really cool. Literally freaking parking garage. I was just driving down here, I'm like, holy shit, this is crazy. Nice XK8, old Porsche. Beautiful stuff. We have some cool things over here. Man, this is so cool. Love this S-Class coupe. That Defender, holy smokes. This is insane. This is insane. Crazy. Some Mustangs on the left here. Holy crap. 600 maybe. Nice Jag. So let's just walk through this way. I'm just going to take you on a quick tour of what's around here, literally in the middle of this parking garage. Man, just some crazy hardware. American stuff, European stuff, new stuff, old stuff, Prius taxi cab. We got the John Cooper Works Countryman. We got the limo. This is like almost creepy. There's like no one here, and I just like crazy. Nice E30. And this is just the start of it too. Someone's collection for sure. Whole bunch of classics under here, undercover. Okay, so this is level 1. Now we're gonna jump inside the Taycan and go down a few levels and see some stuff. Whoever has this collection is a huge Mercedes fan. There's just a ton of them around here. Old S-Classes, E500s, just some hardware. All right, that's it for this level. Let's head down to the Taycan. I am just blown away. I don't even know where I am. I was just driving around and like, holy crap. So certainly in shock, certainly some crazy cars. I am so impressed. Here we are in the Taycan. We're just gonna go normal camera here. We got the 330i. We've got the Stelvio QV, a Range Rover with a stupid exhaust on it. And let's see what else we can find, because it gets crazier and crazier. So this is where we just were. We just went down in there. We're in the rear wheel drive Taycan. That's actually a German spec with German license plates on the front. You can see the German, I guess, road tax thing here. Let's just keep heading down levels and see what Let's see what we can find here. We got the Dodge Grand Caravan. Gotta love it. We'll just do all of this. I don't think there was anything cool on this level. I think it gets crazier. Oh, we got a Lamborghini undercover. That's right. Forgot about that one. Big Ram 5 Series. Really cool Mercs over there. Let's go take a look at those. Oh yeah, we got some cool stuff over here. We got some cool stuff over here, do we not? This Taycan has rear steer, which makes it really easy to move around. Take a look at this. We have got the M6. We have got the S-Classes on the monoblocks. Hell yeah. We've got the Porsches. We've got a lot of neat stuff here. It's a sick bus. Man. So we have all that goodness over there. Then we have this crazy looking Merc. Looks like a little nice German Hammer. And we've got the brand new GLS 63. That's a beast. We got GT500. Honestly, probably a real one. Just some crazy stuff over here. GMC Cyclone. Really, really neat. Let's continue. Kia Soul, baby. Honda CRX manual hybrid. Those are cool. Those are cool. This Taycan also has a purple dashboard. We have just, I think, yeah, nothing spicy, just a 392 of some kind. Let's go this way. Wait till we go down one more level. You're gonna have your mind freaking blown. We have the best generation E-Class over here with a flat tire, it seems. Nice X3, nice Jag. Got the supercharged Range Rover Sport. We've got this thing sitting on failed air suspension, or maybe it's hydraulics out. So cool. I think we just have normal boring stuff down here. The Nissan Rogue, Hyundai Tucson, Ford Edge. See, I wish I knew more about classic cars. I'm more of a modern car guy. Not to say I don't appreciate classics. I just don't have the depth of knowledge that I do reviewing new cars like the amazingly terrible Dodge Journey. We got this old thing over here, Riviera, something nice under a cover. Looks like a 240 perhaps. I don't know. Let's continue. We got the C-Class AMG line, at least, not a full AMG. And then wait till we round this next corner. You guys are gonna be totally mind blown. First off, really good looking Mercedes over here. Got some stuff undercover. We got some more stuff undercover over here. I should just remove this before we round the corner for real. This is real impromptu filming. I'm not even going to show you what's to the right of me until I get it lined up. You guys ready for this? You guys ready for this? A whole line of Porsches. We got the Bronco. We got crazy expensive Mercedes. Holy shit. Sorry for my language. This deserves it. We got American stuff. We got a beautiful old classic Rover. And then we got some modern stuff here on the right. We have the Urus. A whole bunch of freaking Rollses. Why do you need so many Rollses? That new Phantom, though, looks freaking mega. Look at that 500E right there. Gorgeous. Gorgeous. Holy shit. We got hardware. Hardware. That is correct. We have some stuff here. The M6. So you can imagine my shock driving down. I don't know what this Maserati is doing here. And then the old Land Cruiser pickup. Man, that is cool. That is cool. You can imagine my shock driving down here, just parking to go get a room at my hotel. And the, trying to think about where I am. The Hilton in, somewhere in North Los Angeles Hilton, up in the mountains almost. Man, this collection though, folks, this is a collection. And that Sienna, that is primo. Take a look at these Porsches too. This is just like all not super spicy stuff, like Carrera 2S, we got Cayman, we got 911 in that really cool new, or that cool bronzy color. We got nice 997s, 991, Is that a 50th anniversary, I think? Just mega stuff. Truly insane. Well, I was glad as like a bonus video to take you on this quick tour of this crazy parking garage that I literally just stumbled in totally by accident. It's got to be one of the best car collections I've ever seen or visited, and it was totally unplanned. If you know whose collection this is, tell them I appreciate it. Tell them I'd love to learn more about their cars, and maybe I'd love to drive some for the channel for you guys. That'd be so neat, right? I feel like I need to learn a little bit more about classic cars, get more into that. I've always been a modern car guy, you know, that's just sort of my job, is to review new cars, self-proclaimed job. But I'd love to get more into the older stuff as I'm driving the future, the electric Porsche Taycan. But seriously impressive. Thanks so much for watching. We'll resume normal coverage soon. See you on the next one.